What's up guys? Today I'm going to make a quick video talking about why I am trading in my Insta 360 1X for the GoPro Hero Max. So this has been my favorite camera for the last year. I love filming skateboarding on this because you don't even have to point it. You can't miss the shot. You can reframe it afterwards and you can just sit this thing in the middle of the skate park and get amazing footage. But the main problem with the Insta 360 1X is it's just so fragile. Like, I've broken 2 of these already. So if you set it down, somebody hits it, knocks it over, and it hits one of the lenses, it's gonna cost you $100 to replace that lens. You know, if you break one of these cases, it's about the same price. You know, it's very expensive to maintain these cameras. So also one fall, like one time hitting the ground and this camera is destroyed. You know, the lens is destroyed. So once you have one of the lenses destroyed, there's really no point to having a 360 camera. So the specs on this are really similar to the GoPro Max. And the GoPro Max is just more rugged. Also, you can replace those lenses on the GoPro Max for about $20 compared to $100 and waiting for months on the Insta 360. So that's just a little update video. It should be here by the end of the month, and I'll make some more detailed reviews and videos on the GoPro Max. So if you guys like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and just videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.